Hi YouTube, my Shoreline freezer come in. It's 12 volt and 24 volt, 157 litres. It's got 109 litres fridge and 48 litre freezer. So here we go. There's your fridge. It's got glass shelves, which I think is pretty cool. Got some shelves, an egg holder, ice cubes, another storage tray at the bottom, instructions. So that's the fridge. Got a crisp tray, they call it, for vegetables and stuff. And here's the freezer. Two big trays. And then one that's a bit smaller tray. But yeah, this only runs on 25 watts. So I think that's pretty good. It's got the SECOP BD35K motor compressor. It's got an LED light on the back here. So I've got the wire on order. That should come in the week. I'll get this all wired in the week. Oh, you've got a scraper as well. Comes with it. But yeah, I think this will be good. I would have preferred the freezer to be this size and the fridge to be the smaller size really, but still going to be good. Unboxing it was fun. I bought it in the house with the box on it, but I couldn't get the box off, so I pulled all the staples out and then I could peel the box off it like, so that worked out alright. Little temperature. Goes up to 7. Yeah, just a quick look, and hopefully if it all works out and all the stuff comes in, I shall have it fitted by the weekend, and then I can turn off the 240 fridge. The freezer, I might have a bit too much food in to fit into this freezer, so it's going to be good. But I looked at other fridge freezers. I found some for the year I've been looking into it. Found some that were running 80 watts, and then I managed to find a fridge and a freezer that were running on 60 watts. And then I was looking the other month there and came across this one that only runs on 25 watts. So I thought this is the one I've got to get. Got your little switch there for your LED light. It's great, it comes with glass trays, and they don't, shelves don't pull out, you have to lift them out. But yeah, these all come up I believe, yeah. So you can move these about, the trays. Not very good at one-handed. there it goes. But yeah. So if you're looking at a low wattage fridge freezer, Shoreline's the place to look, because there you go. And you've got a little cleaning tab here, I believe. Sits in there. Okay then. Thank you for watching.